Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make some miniature furniture and buildings for your garden diorama. So first of all I'm going to quickly go through things you're going to need. So things you'll need are some gravel or pebbles, and then some recycled materials, so anything that you have at home, maybe an egg box, plastic bottles, toilet roll tubes and boxes. You're also going to need some coloured paper and some tape, and then also something to draw with. And the final thing that you're going to need is a fruit net and a couple of little twigs. The first thing we're going to try making is this little set of gravel furniture. So making this gravel furniture is really easy. The first thing that you need to do is try and have a look at what you've got and try and find some bits that might work together to make a seat. So for example, this could be the bottom of your seat and this could be the back. Now, the way that I'm going to stick them together, it's incredibly easy. You just need to get a little bit of plasticine. Take some off, scrunch it together, and then do a similar thing to what we did with the flowers, where you just pop it here on the back, and then you can use the stone that you were going to use for the back of your seat and just squash it all the way in, and it's stuck. So next we're going to have to find some little armrests for our bench. So I've got these two bits here that would work together quite well. So again, I'm just going to get my plasticine, take a little bit off, squash it in there, and squash it in here. And then again, stick my little armrests on. And we've got a little bench. So I've got my gravel bench and my gravel chair that I've just made, and the final thing that I think that we're going to need is maybe a little table. So I've got a stone here. I'm just going to use the same technique again. Pop a bit of plasticine on the middle and stick a flat stone on the top. We've got our little table. Try and be as adventurous as you can when using your materials. So just try different things out, sticking them together and making sculptures to see what works and what doesn't. You can also use other things that you might have around the house or outside. For example, I stuck these shells together in the same way to make a little seat as well. Another really easy piece of furniture that you can make for your garden diorama is a hammock, using a fruit net from lemons or limes or oranges and 2 sticks, and again some plasticine. So all we need to do is get a blob of plasticine, squash it up, stick it down, and pop one of your sticks straight in there so that it's standing upright. And then again, your other stick, do the same thing. And then we just need to get our little fruit net and hang it on the edges of your stick. And you have a little makeshift hammock. And you can even make a person out of paper to lie and relax in your hammock. Can you think of other materials at home that you have that you could use to make furniture out of? So what we're going to try now is making some houses or sheds or little greenhouses for our garden dioramas out of recycled materials. So a nice way to start is thinking about how could you join some of your recyclable objects together to make interesting shapes of buildings. So I'm going to use this old tissue box to make a building, but at the moment it looks a bit too big for my garden diorama because I don't want it to take up the whole thing. So I'm just going to cut it in half. So now that I've cut it in half, I realised that I've already got a little door here just from the other side of the tissue box. So I've got these little toilet roll tubes, which I think would make quite a nice little roof. So I'm just going to stick them on. I'm just going to use sellotape, wrap it round in a loop so that it's sticky on both sides. So I think it's looking a bit boring at the moment, so I want to add some more colour and patterns. What I'm going to do is just get my pen and I'm just going to draw some patterns on the top of the roof, just some squiggly patterns. And now I want to add a bit more colour, so I'm just going to cut some windows out of my coloured paper. And again, just stick them on with some tape. And now we can put our little shed at the bottom of our garden. So use your imagination and think about what shapes you could put together to make interesting buildings. For example, maybe this egg box could make a nice roof for this tea box. And I also made this longer bottle one, so think about what you can draw in the windows. I've drawn a dog, or I've coloured this one in to make it look like a stained glass window. So there's lots of things that you can work on to make a really interesting little building for your diorama.